Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Arcola, Saskatchewan is a small prairie town in the southeast corner of the province, located along Highway 13 not far from the Manitoba border. With a population of just under 500 people, Arcola offers a quiet, rural atmosphere shaped by agriculture and close-knit community life. The surrounding landscape is typical of this part of Saskatchewan: wide open fields, gently rolling terrain, and big prairie skies that stretch in every direction. The town was established in the late 19th century, during a period of rapid settlement across the Canadian prairies. Arcola was officially incorporated as a village in 1899. Like many communities in the region, its growth was closely tied to the expansion of the railway. The arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway helped connect local farmers to larger markets and brought new residents to the area. Agriculture has remained the backbone of Arcola's economy since its earliest days. The fertile soil supports crops such as wheat, canola, and barley, while livestock farming also plays an important role. Over the decades, farming methods have modernized, but the connection between the town and the land has stayed strong. Grain elevators, once dominant features of prairie towns, have largely disappeared, but their legacy remains an important part of local history. Arcola is perhaps best known for its annual event, the Arcola Optimist Harvest Festival and Rodeo. This long-running tradition brings visitors from across the region and celebrates prairie culture with rodeo events, parades, and community gatherings. Another unique feature of Arcola is its creative public art. The town has become known for its painted grain elevators and murals, which add color and character to the streetscape. These projects have helped preserve a piece of prairie history while also giving the town a distinctive visual identity. Visitors often find these artistic touches surprising and memorable, especially in a place of this size. Education and local services continue to play a central role in daily life here. Arcola has its own school, serving students from kindergarten through high school, along with essential amenities that support residents in the surrounding rural area. While many small towns have faced population decline over the years, places like Arcola continue to adapt and maintain their role as service hubs for nearby farms and communities.